After years of sacrifice, she finally stood tall. Looking at her peers, she felt it. Everything she worked for had paid off. Preparing for the NEET PG exam was tough. Some days, her doubts were louder than her hopes. But she carried not only her dreams, but the hopes of her family. Quitting was never an option. Postgraduate life was a whirlwind of learning. Each day presented new challenges. Ultimately, she was both a teacher and a lifelong learner, evolving with every experience and growing through every step she took. Consulting with patients and making her rounds, she cared deeply for everyone she encountered. Even in the rush of a medical career, her family was always on her mind. But medicine has its demands, and emergencies always come first. Tonight was no different. As she walked into the operating room, the noise of the world faded. All that mattered was the patient before her. She knew a life was in her hands. The senior doctor arrived, bringing a sense of calm. Her confidence and experience grounded her. Together, they were ready for whatever lay ahead. The operating room buzzed with tension. Her hands moved with skill and precision. Every action a reflection of years of training. Sweat beaded, but her focus never wavered. The surgery went smoothly. Each stitch brought her closer to success. She felt the weight of responsibility lift. Today, she had made a difference. After the operation, the hospital was quieter than usual. Instead of heading home, she joined her colleagues for a rare late night meal. Surrounded by laughter, the stress of the day melted away. They shared stories, from triumphs to bizarre moments only doctors could understand. She said her usual goodbyes to her colleagues, though tonight something felt different. Goodbye lingered a lot longer than usual. She didn't know it would be the last time. She entered the seminar hall, the dim light soothing her tired mind. She closed her eyes, seeking a moment of peace. Behind her, the door creaked open. The sound was so soft, she didn't even notice. The waiter followed her silently, blending into the shadows. She remained unaware of the danger lurking close. In her moment of rest, tragedy struck, shattering her peace. The world changed forever. A scream echoed, piercing the silence.
நிழலே நீ எங்கே போனாய் என் கனவுகள் பொசுக்கி மிஞ்சினாய் பூவாக நான் மலர்ந்திருந்தேன் ஆனா இப்போது மழையில் விழுந்தேன் நீதி நீங்கிய நெஞ்சில் காயம் ஆத்துமா அழுது கொண்டே இருக்கிறது எந்த குரலுக்கு தாழ்வில்லை ஆனால் என் உயிரில் தீர்வில்லை ஜாதகத்தில் கருப்பு நிறம் இரவு இழைத்தது கனவுகளை உலகம் என்னை மறந்து போக நான் துயரம் ஆட்கொண்டு நிற்கின்றேன் கண்ணீரின் பாதை சொல்கின்றது.
As we conclude this short film, we hope this has shed light on often unseen struggles that doctors face daily. Behind the calm, composed face we see in hospitals are individuals enduring immense mental, physical, and emotional pressure. They work tirelessly sometimes at the cost of their own well-being to ensure the health and safety of others. The film serves not only as a tribute to their dedication, but also as a reminder that they too need support. The long hours, emotional burdens, and the weight of life or death decision takes a toll. It is crucial for us as a society to recognize this, offer our empathy. Let us not just thank our doctors, but work towards creating an environment where they can thrive, because their well-being is deeply connected to us.
அந்த இருள் நாளை முடிகின்றது நான் வாழ்ந்துதிலம் மறைந்தான் புதிதாய் பிறந்து எழுந்திடுவேன் வெற்றியை வெள்ளை திசையில் காண்பேன்